Hey Follow-Up family, we are so excited to show you these new features that we have released over the last few months. So this is our new product update for the month of August. So check it out. And if you have any other questions or want a more in-depth review of what each new feature does, you can go to our help button and you can check out our articles on these new features, or you can sign up for live office hours. We have that weekly to answer all of your questions. Our new feature called duplicate data protection. So what this is going to do, it's going to protect you from duplicate files, creating them in projects, creating duplicate companies, and entering duplicate contacts. So here's an example under project files. I've just created a new project file. We'll name it duplicate entry feature, and I put this address here. So when I go over and click save, you'll see that this pop-up shows me that this project already exists, or the address associated with this project. So you can do two things. You can continue creating, or you can cancel. So this is going to keep the data clean. It's going to keep you from having duplicate entries, and it works on projects, companies, and contacts.
Today, I'm going to show you how to edit the colors that you see within the sales status. This can only be done by a system administrator or the company owner. So let's say I wanted to change the color of this warm from yellow to orange. All I have to do is come to my company settings. Then I come to my project data. Then I come to my sales status. And within, you'll have all the sales statuses that you have within the system. So I can come here to the warm, edit this one to reflect to the orange color. Let's do this orange. Save, so you can see that update there. And when you click into the project, warm. And these will also reflect on the home page on your pipeline graph chart, so that you can see, what you want to see within the system.
So our next new feature is the bulk email feature. This one is great for saving you a ton of time. So the way you can find this is by going to your projects tab right here, and then you can utilize your already existing lists right here. So I'm going to click that because I want to send a bulk email to all of my projects that have a warm sales status. You can see that right here, all organized in orange. That I also have a total of 44 records. You can see that down here by the page number. So I'm going to go up here under my list view to this far left box, and I'm going to click that. So it just highlighted blue. It was this box here, and that selected the first page of my results. So it selected 15 projects out of 44. But I want to send this bulk email to all 44 of my warm sales status projects. So in order to do that, I'm going to go a little to the right and click this select all box right next to it. Check that. And now I have 44 projects selected. You can see that right here. Now we're going to go over here to the right, and I'm going to click on bulk email, and we're going to have this pop-up window show up, and it's going to give us two options. We can either click this drop-down menu and choose a template that already exists, or we can add a new template and create one right here by clicking add template. I am going to select our check-in template. We want to check in on all 44 of these projects. So now we're going to click preview. Once you select preview, you'll be able to see what the template looks like, what the email is going to look like. So go back to our open tab, and the next thing you will do is click send. And you just sent one email to 44 contacts using our bulk email feature.
Say you're a manager or the owner of the system, and you're constantly updating these filters to see what you want to see. Like, I want to see the company settings for last quarter. Now, all you have to do is come to your settings, and you can click on default settings, and you can update the homepage default settings as well as the dashboard default settings, so that whenever you log into the system, you have the exact view that you want to see and get the information you want quickly and easily.